It's like 2 a.m. right now, and I'm hearing all these noises. I don't know what's going on. Like, I'm really tired. So, I don't know why I'm recording this, but it's like 2 a.m. and I just woke up. So, stop searching. Please. Shh. Shh. No signal, no signal. Fuck, I don't know what to do. I gotta call again. I gotta try again. Shit. Shit. Oh shit, I don't know what to do. Fuck it, I'm going. Screw this, yo. I'm booking a hotel for the night.